Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can change the fav icon on your WordPress website. So what I mean by fav icon is, when you open up your website, in your browser tabs and your bookmarks, you see a little logo here. Let's say we are on Google, then we see this logo here. This is a fav icon. So how do we change it? So first off, you have to download a logo like this one. And the recommended dimensions are 512 pixels on both sides. So now let me show you how to add it. Simply go back to your dashboard, click on settings, and in the general settings here, you will see this option here. In the older versions of WordPress, this might not be available. So I'll show you an alternate way. For now, I'll click on this. I'll click on select files and upload the logo here. Click on set as icon, scroll to the bottom and save changes. Go back to your website and hit reload. Now as you can see, our fav icon has been updated. Now that was quite easy. Let's say if you don't have this option here, then what? So let me remove this. I'll go back, hit save changes. I'll reload this page and the fav icon is gone. Now we have the WordPress default icon. So on the older versions of WordPress, come back to your home page and click on the customize button here. Now on the customization panel, look for site identity. Click on this and here on the bottom, you'll see the site icon option here. And here also they mentioned the recommended size. So click on this button here, select your logo or upload one, hit select, and you'll see that the fav icon has been changed. If you want to keep these changes, click on publish and close this. The fav icon has been changed here. Similarly, you can go back to your dashboard and hit reload. And that was it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and leave your questions down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.